Do you spend most of your time doing nothing? Well, it's time to add some fun arts and crafts into your daily life. In this video, we're going to be making a lollipop bouquet. I've never done this, so it could be a complete fail. For materials, you're going to need some lollipops. These were under $3. Styrofoam, I recommend getting the round ones, but they didn't have that, so I got this one. This was $1. Hopefully it works. You're gonna need a vase. This is probably gonna be under $5. Paper worms, $1. Tissue paper, $1. And some scotch tape, probably under $2. Now we're going to fill the vase with the paper worms. Just stuff it inside. And make sure you spread it out evenly, like so. Okay, so now you're going to take the 2 styrofoams and just stack it on top. Then take some tape and tape it around that middle line so it stays. I'm going to use this much tape. Just tape it in the center. Then you're going to get something like this. Now you're going to take your tissue papers and just cover all of the green like this. Take some more tape and just tape the paper together. So now that you have something looking like this, you're going to place this inside the vase. Just push it down gently and it should look like that. Now you're going to take a lollipop and place it right at the center. So that one would be like right around there, and just push it in gently. Like that, and then you're just gonna keep going. So far this is what the top looks like, but we still have to go all around that. This is the final result. So some tips for doing this is when doing the side ones, make sure you go at an angle so you don't hit the top sticks. You might be wondering, what am I going to do with this? You can give it as a gift to someone. You can use it as house decor and a treat for your guests. Or you can have it all to yourself and enjoy it.